Good morning, students. Yesterday we were studying about A and An. What we were studying yesterday? We were studying about A article and an article. Okay. And there was one sentence. In that one sentence, what did we study? A and an are used when we speak of one person, one place, one animal, one bird or one thing. Correct? When we speak of one person, animal, bird, thing, that time what we do? We use A and an. And yesterday I even told you that an is used before what? An is used before what? Before vowels. Is used before vowels. Now which letters are vowels? There are 5 vowels. Correct or not? Yesterday we studied A, E, I, O and U. There are 5 vowels, and any word which starts with A letter, which starts with E letter, which starts with I letter, O letter, U letter, those words, before those words we use what? We use an word. Okay. And A letter, where do we use? We use A letter before consonants. Now which are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N. O is not there, right? I had written O. O is what? O is vowel. M, N, P, Q, R, S, T. Now U is not there. U is what? U is article. V, W, X, Y and Z. Before vowels we use, before vowel words we use an, and before consonant words we use A. Understood? This was what we studied yesterday. An article is used before the words which starts with vowel, and A letter is used before the words which starts with consonant letters. Which are consonant letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. They are what? They are consonants. There are 21 consonants. How many consonants are there? 21 consonants are there and 5 vowels are there. Understood? And I told you there is one question. What we have to do? We have to see that question, and before that word, now whatever questions are there, some spellings are given. Before that spelling, which article we have to use, that we are going to study today. Okay. Now here it is told that, look, yesterday I think so we have not seen this picture. We have not seen this picture. A is written when the first letter of the noun is a consonant. B, C, D. Yes or no? It is there on the board. B, C, D, F, G, H, J. Correct? And here it is told that a bat. Bat word starts with which letter? B. B is what? Consonant. A puppy. Puppy word starts with which letter? P. A fan. Fan word starts with which letter? F. And downside there is a question. Now what is that question? Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with A or an. Total 8 examples are there, and what we have to do? We have to fill the blanks. Okay. Now first one is, I will write down question. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. And fill in the blanks with A or an. Okay. First one example which is given over here is, this is dash and. Second one, this is dash horse. This is dash horse. Third one, this is dash clock. This is dash clock. Fourth one, this is dash igloo. Now we have taken 4 examples. Okay, we will study today only these 4 examples where we have to use what article. Now here examples are given. First one, don't see answers. Okay, no need of seeing answers. Now ant, horse, correct. Igloo, here it is cock. Okay, by mistake I have written clock. Cock, C-O-C-K, cock. Now what we have to do here is we are going to fill the blanks. What we are going to do? We are going to do fill in the blanks. Now with what we are going to do fill in the blanks? We are going to fill the blanks with a or an. We are going to fill the blanks with what? A or an. Now your first sentence which is given here is this is dash ant. Now ant word starts with which letter? Ant word starts with A letter. A is what? A is what? I will write in. A is what? A is an vowel. And I told you before vowel what we have to use? We have to use an letter. What we have to use? We have to use an letter. So which letter what will come over here? A is vowel, so here an will come. An. A-N, an. Which article will come? An article will come over here. Second sentence which is given here is this is horse. Now H is what? I will write in white color chalk. Okay. H is what? H is consonant. I told you there are 21 consonants. How many consonants are there total? There are 21 consonants, and in that consonant is H is what? H is consonant. Then before consonant we are using which letter? We are using A letter, right? So here in second example, what will be, which article we are going to use here? We are going to use A article. This is a horse. Okay, whenever we read, that time what we say, this is a horse. Instead of that, sometimes we say that sentence in this way, this is a horse. Okay, sometimes we use A, sometimes we use a. Both are same. Don't get confused. You might be you should not do confusion that ma'am is saying A. We are saying a, ma'am is saying A. Sometimes we have to pronounce a as A. Okay, this is a horse. Okay, this is a horse. A horse is also correct and a horse is also correct. Third one, this is cock. Now C letter is what? Come on, find out here. C letter is what? C letter is also consonant. What it is? C letter is also consonant. Then before consonant words, what we use? Before consonant words, we use A article. Understood? So here I am going to write down oh, this is a clock. And last one, this is igloo. Now igloo means what? Igloo is a house which is made in the ice or in the snow. Correct or not? For example, in Himalaya, igloos are made of snow. Correct? And if the people are feeling cold that time, then what they do? They make igloo and then they sleep inside the igloo so that they should not feel more cold. So now igloo. Igloo word starts with which letter? Igloo word starts with I letter. When igloo letter starts with I letter, then I is what? I is vowel. I काय आहे? I हा शब्द vowel आहे. Right? Then before vowel what we have to do? We have to add an. Understood what we have to do? We have to add an. In this way what we have done? We have done look at the picture and fill in the blanks with A or an. We have seen picture. I have shown you picture of ant. I have shown you picture of horse. I have shown you picture of cock. I have shown you picture of igloo. Can you see? And see, first 4 examples are already done. This is an ant. This is a horse. This is a cock. This is an igloo. Understood? In this way, we have studied half part of the lesson remaining part of the lesson we will study tomorrow. I think only more 4 examples are left. That 4 examples we will study tomorrow, and then we will start with new chapter. Okay. Now just keep in mind there are 2 types of articles. There are 2 articles, a and an. A is used before consonants and an is used before vowels. Now which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. How many consonants are there? There are 21 consonants. Which are those? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, correct? V, W, X, Y, Z. They are what? They are consonants. Keep in mind there are 21 consonants and there are 5 vowels. Understood? Remaining part of the lesson we will study tomorrow. What you have to do? Today's homework is you have to write down these 4 sentences in your English grammar notebook. You have to write down name of lesson, question number 1, and write down 4 sentences where write down 4 sentences in your English grammar notebook. Okay? Remaining part of the lesson we will study tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.